Hey everyone, welcome back for another video. Before I get into today's video, I want you guys to head over to Foul Play Waterfowler's Instagram. Make sure to like them and head over to their website where you can find hats like this and other cool Foul Play Waterfowler's gear. So let's get into the video. So sorry for the dirty quad. We've had a lot of dust and then we had a lot of rain, and I just haven't had a chance to wash it. But today we're going to install the Kolpin gun mounts on the front. And what the plan is, we're going to put one on this bar right at the base here, and then same thing over here. When you get these Kolpin gun racks, this whole top plate actually unthreads. Not only can you swivel it, but if you unthread it all the way, you can adjust the arm to be on an angle, or you can actually take the base right out. So if you don't need your gun racks, you just leave something like that on there. You can still strap a deer to it or whatever you're hauling, backpacks. But when you need it, it all goes back together. And again, this can go on angled if you need it. But for my application, we're straight. And then you just tighten that up. And then you're set. So now we just have to mount these bases to the rails. So that's the actual gun rest, and they give you your bungees for the top, hold your gun in, two very heavy metal plates that'll go underneath the bars to hold the gun rest on your quad. And those are actually really solid. I'm impressed. Nothing flimsy. It's not going to bend if you tighten it down. Another bungee. Some 3M tape. And there's 4 pieces, so one piece will go in here, and then same thing on the actual gun rest. Another piece will go in here. And then you have bolts depending on what the application is. They also give you an Allen key and all lock nuts. That's all there. It says, attention, do not return to store. So if you need any servicing, you call Kolpin directly and they'll help you. I've heard they're really good. A little instruction manual. But because I'm a man, I'm not going to use this. Garbage. It also came with a sticker, a little Kolpin sticker, which I don't have here. But that's everything you get in the package. Okay, so I missed this in going through all the parts. Little plastic thing, and that'll go over the bolts underneath. So that way, if you do happen to put your hands on here, you don't get cut. Just a little protector. It's nice that they even thought of that. So first things first, we're gonna get all of our 3M tape onto all of our pieces as evenly as possible. I say that and my first one's crooked. That's okay. And my second one on. That one's a bit straighter. Okay, now with all our rubber pieces on, now we can attach it to the bars. I decided to go with the shorter screws that they provided. There are longer screws as well. I'm installing this on a 2021 Polaris Sportsman. I'm guessing majority of the ATVs out there use a similar thickness and bar, but they do offer a much longer screw also in the package if you need it. There's the bottom of that one. Bottom plate. Just goes on like that. This has to go with the Allen key up. And we can get the nut on the bottom. Now with all 4 screws in, we can get the drill out and tighten those. So make sure you got it where you want it. You don't necessarily have to worry about your top part here. You may have to take that off. It'll be easier to get the drill in there. Make sure when you're doing these, you do them all evenly. Otherwise, it will sit on there cockeyed. Now with them tightened by the drill, you want to go back with the Allen key they provided and tighten them all up. Don't over tighten them. Just make sure they are tight enough that when you're bouncing down the road, your gun mount doesn't fall off. Okay, we got one done. Tightening it up. Okay, that's on there so good that I can shake the quad by moving that. That's awesome. Put the bungee over the top. This is just to keep your gun in. There you go, that looks really nice. As you can see, I'm shaking the whole quad just by holding that. That's unreal. So I know once my gun's in there, underneath here, it's not going to go anywhere. And then again, if you want to take this off, you got lots of room once this is off to put a backpack or whatever you have. Now with this side done, we'll do the other side. I'll speed that one up for you guys, and then when we're all done, I will show it to you. I will put something in it. I don't have my gun out right now. It's not at the house right now, so I will find something to put in it just to show you guys. So there we have it, our Kolpin gun racks installed. I will go get my chainsaw and stick my chainsaw in them, and hopefully it holds. So there you go. Chainsaw is in the mount. And you can see I had to put this mount sideways, which is awesome that it allows you to do that. That's in there sturdy. This one is straight up and down to hold the smaller part of the handle, and that chainsaw is not going anywhere. So it's super cool that it gives you the options of rotating those holders. You can rotate them 360 or you can tilt them over. But there it is with the chainsaw. Thanks for tuning in to today's video. Hope you enjoyed the video installing these Kolpin gun racks on a 2021 Polaris Sportsman. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like and subscribe for future ATV and outdoor videos. Otherwise, I'll catch you guys in the next one.